Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can set a custom notification for a friend or a group in Signal. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up the Signal app on your phone. After you do so, just go ahead and click on any chat or any group you have. Then click on the three dots on the top right hand corner. After that, you can see the group settings. Go ahead and tap on group settings. You can scroll a bit down and you can find sounds and notifications. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see the custom notifications option on the end. Go ahead and tap on it. Right now it is currently turned off. Now if you want to turn it on, you can just go ahead and click on use custom notifications and you can see that you can now customize the sound, vibration, ringtone and message settings. So you can see the ringtone is currently set to default. You can go ahead and listen to the song or any of the beat you have. So after you're done, just go ahead and select back and you can see the call settings has been changed. Now to change the vibration settings, just go ahead and tap on it and you can see the enable option. You can enable the vibration of call, and if you want to change the message settings, you can do that as well. So notifications should turn on. So go ahead and first of all turn on the notifications. After you do that, go back and you can see that you can select it. You can go to the sound option. Let me show this process to you. Once again, go ahead and select a group or your friend and then click on the three dots on the top right hand corner. Then click on group settings and click on sound and notifications. The next thing you want to do is click on custom notifications and enable this used custom notifications option. Then if you want to change the message, you can see the customize option. You can go ahead and select the sound from here. So after you select it, you can go back and there you go. This is how easy it is to set a custom notification for a friend or your group in Signal. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.